What's up, everyone? I'm Stickwick, and I'm a zombie killer. That looks beautiful. Oh, I don't have anything. Great. I was trying to be like, you know, all stealthy and that, but no, Stickwick can't have fun, can he? Life's got to be miserable. Great aim. I won't lie, this place is a lot scarier without one of those. Oh, piss off. Oh, come on. Come on. How is this fair? Come on. Oh, I can't even see. I can't even see. If I miss the first one, you can guarantee I'll hit the second one. Just how I work. Oh shit! Oh my god. I thought I heard something. Jesus, that scared me. Alright, that's definitely what I gotta press, but there is a new gun in here, and it's pretty cool looking if I'm being honest. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to go with this. This is very nice. Anyways, though. Ah, god, they're already overwhelmingly close. Open, please. God damn it. Go through, go through, go through. Shit. Please die. Yeah. Okay, let's be honest. This looks amazing. You know what? I will actually turn on the voice actor's volume for this one because Sky, the voice actor, does actually go hard during this bit. I won't even lie. You ever hear me call the main character Sky? It's because that's his voice actor's name.
Inside. Not good. Not good.
Uh-oh. Oh no. No, really? You're doing it with... Oh no.
Anyone out there? No, they're inside. Not good. Not good.
Wow, I'm actually shocked I got that lined up right. Might as well kill him in the crib. Hey everyone, you want to guess what's happened for like the 5th time? The game crashed again! Alright, come on.
Damn it! Come on, motherfuckers. Come on, Freds. Sick of this. Come on. What do you got? Come on. Is that all you got? Is that all you got? Come on. I'm telling you, Fred, I'm not in the mood right now, but you want to come on? Come on. Let's do this, motherfuckers.
Shit. Oh, fuck off. There's the sword, there's the sword. That's lovely. Oh my god. Die. For fuck's sake. You know, I'm really starting to relate with the frustration of the character. Are you serious? There's more of them.
Motherfuckers.
Well, would you look at that? We got a new gun. We'll say goodbye to that one, and we take this. I'm not even sure this is automatic. It's not great, but you know, we give everything a try.
You.
I absolutely
Assholes.
did not get hit there, but it's fine.
Asshole! Asshole! What are you looking at? You looking at me? You want some of this? Come on. Come on. You got it.
The fuck?
You ain't shit.
Oh, come on. I absolutely hit your face there. Oh, lovely. There's multiple of them. Great, great. Bro. How do they take 14 headshots before they die? No, don't you dare. Oh, God. I am enjoying myself. Oh, yeah.
God damn it.
Oh, God. Okay. Much bigger reason to use this time. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, my God. They're getting close. Shit. Oh, my God. God. Okay. That got... Oh, God, it barely stunned them. We can pull it back. We can pull it back. Hell yeah. What? 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 How did they get back so far? Where were they?
No, 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 you're not coming over here. No, you are dead. You are dead. You are dead. You are dead, and you are dead. Come on. Come on.
That's cool. Bro, come on. Surviving a full grenade. Oh no. No, the game's about to crash. Are you serious? No. Okay, we're gonna rush to a checkpoint. E for everyone. We're gonna really rush to a checkpoint. Checkpoint! Yes! Oh, there's the crash. You see that? Wow. I'm in real life moving. I'm not sure if you guys can still hear me right now. If you can, then you could see my barrier over there. You're probably seeing darkness. You probably can't see my hands. But you can see where I'm looking. That's the barrier over there. I'm currently like in a little space around my room. The only way you can tell my head's moving is with the barrier in sight. I have like a little thing over here to the right where I can move. Hopefully the recording will self-destruct end here because I can't do anything to stop the recording. Right, well at least I reached the checkpoint this time. Lovely, I think I have everything. Including low health. This is an M16, that's nice. Hello. And hello. Oh, there's more people that I need to say hello to. Give me a second. Hello. 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 Fuck. Hello. Hello. Nice. I do love meeting new people. Oh, there's another one. Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh shit. That could have gone poorly. I am going to check what's over here though. I do have an idea though. Oh god, it didn't close properly. I think it worked though. Right. Yep. Whoa, holy. You scared me. Closer. Nice. Oh. I will say there are some times where I do genuinely feel like a badass in this game. Bruh. Come on, mate. Oh. Why is there an arm in here? So that's going to be the end of this video. I'm going to continue recording for the next one, and yeah, so that means you guys will get another Arizona Sunshine video pretty soon after this one. See you a lot later.